Hey there, foodies! Today we're taking a trip to the Middle East with a vegan kofta recipe that's impossible to resist. That's right, we're using impossible meat. These are a plant-based version of the classic kofta with all the flavor and texture that you know and love. And the best part, you won't even be able to tell the difference. So whether you're a seasoned vegan or just dipping your toes into the plant-based pool, get ready to be amazed by this delicious and meaty vegan kofta. I'm using two 340-gram packages of impossible meat. Impossible meat has a texture that's incredibly similar to ground beef, making it perfect for recipes like kofta. It also has 19 grams of protein per 4-ounce serving, which is a lot. So let's place the impossible meat into a large mixing bowl. I was like, I touched meat, but I didn't. I made a flax egg, which I'm gonna be using as a binder. To do this, you can combine 2 tablespoons of flaxseed with 2 tablespoons of water and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Let's add it to the bowl, along with some tomato paste, lime juice, olive oil, some minced garlic, panko breadcrumbs, 1 onion that's been finely chopped, some finely chopped parsley, some coarsely ground salt, black pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, ground coriander, and some nutmeg. Now just mix it together with a spoon. You know what? I'm using my hands. Kofta is a dish that's perfect for experimenting with different ingredients and flavor combinations. You can use different spices, herbs, and even vegetables to make a kofta that's uniquely your own. I'm just gonna get cleaned up and then we'll start making our koftas. I'm preparing my kofta on skewers. These skewers have been soaking in water for about half an hour. This is to prevent them from burning while they're cooking. Grab a small handful of the kofta mixture and start forming it into a log with your hands. Then grab a skewer and poke it through the middle. Then place it on a lightly greased baking sheet until you're ready to cook it. At this point, you could bake the koftas, and I'll provide the instructions for baking on my website, earthtorocco.com. Today's a beautiful day, so I want to barbecue them outside. I have a couple of other sides that I'm going to prepare, so I'm going to put these in the fridge to firm up in the meantime. I like my koftas served in a nice warm pita with a tomato and cucumber salad and some tzatziki. Let me show you how to make it. So in a large bowl, I'm going to put in some diced cucumbers, tomatoes, onion, parsley, and some salt. And that's it. Just mix it up with a spoon. Typically, tzatziki is made with Greek yogurt, but let's face it, vegan yogurt's got a flavor. So instead, I'm going to be using some vegan mayo. Add in some finely chopped cucumber, lemon juice, minced garlic, some dried dill, and a pinch of salt. Now just mix it together. Now I'm gonna set these aside in the fridge while I head on over to the barbecue to grill the koftas. I brushed the kofta with some olive oil and now I'm gonna place them on the grill. Make sure the skewers are sticking out so that they don't burn. I lowered the heat and now I'm just gonna cover it and come back and check on it in 10 minutes. Let's give these a flip. And we'll just let these go for another 5-10 minutes. Our koftas are ready, and boy, do they smell good. That is so good. This is the first time I've tried this on the barbecue, and it came out perfect. There is so much flavor in here. Thank you for joining me in making these delicious vegan kofta. With the help of Impossible Meat, we were able to recreate a classic dish that's packed with protein and flavor. If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for updates on all my latest recipes. And head on over to earthtorocco.com where I'll provide you with all the ingredients and instructions for today's recipes. See you in the next video.